Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Yonon. If you are new in my channel, then don't forget to click on the subscribe button over there. Did you know that inefficient network setting can drastically slow down your internet speed? Yes, you had it right. So today we are going to learn how to optimize the text manager network setting, and I will also give you some bonus tips so that you can increase the downloading and the browsing speed in your laptop or PC. So just you do a right click in the start icon and then go to text manager, then click on this icon to maximize it so that you can shut the application by network which all process are actually network holder. So here you will see all the application. Now which application you don't even use are using the internet, so you need to take the name of those you might to using some of those application. However, there must be few application who are using the network currently. I don't have many application who are using the network, but in your computer you may have it. So just under the network section, check out the just monitor for the time begin and see which all application are there for using the internet. And then you just need to do a right click in this start icon and go to run. Here type appwiz.cpl. So this command is to uninstall unwanted application who are using the internet, or you can simply uninstall those. You can simply do a right click and simply you can uninstall that. Other hand, in the text plus, please make sure you do not have in text of any important application. You can search it online, you can use your phone, and on a real-time basis you can check those process and then you do the index. So I was talking about uninstallation feature. So once you do the app which command in the run, you will find this uninstallation program and uninstall any unwanted application which is there. Just do a right click and uninstall it. The next thing is the click on the Wi-Fi icon, which is there if you are using the Wi-Fi, and look for the available network. Right there you might be using 2.4 gigahertz, and you might have 5 gigahertz or 6 gigahertz Wi-Fi band which you have not used it, and you can use it in your computer as well. So try to connect to another network, the same network which you have. So there could be a possibility that you are using a lower 2.4 gigahertz and you can switch to higher 5 or 6 gigahertz of your router service. So once you are done, close this window. Now right click in the start icon and then click on run, and here we need to type here ncpa.cpl. Once you have typed it, click on OK. A new window will appear, and here we are going to increase the Wi-Fi speed. So look for your Wi-Fi connection. Here I can see my Wi-Fi is right here, and I will just select it. Now at the moment you select it, we just need to do a right click, and this will work on Windows 10 and Windows 11, both are the version. So once you do the right click, after that need to go to the properties, and here the very first step, this is a very common and very simple step, so I will take it as a first step. If you have done this before, you can skip that. So here we need to select internet protocol version, and then go to properties. Then here we need to enter the profile DNS. So I have typed it 1.1.1, and the others one is 1.0.0.1. So this is a cloud DNS, a very great DNS. You can do that. You can also use the Google DNS, and the Google DNS is 8.8.0. 8.8, and the other one is 8.8.4.4. So that's a Google DNS. You can use Google DNS as well. Once you are done, you just need to click on OK, and here I will just close this window. So I will do a right click again, and here we need to go to this configure tab right here at the very top. So I will click on configure, and we will get the wireless nail card properties. In your computer, no matter you are using any other adapter, it should be Intel, and you will get the same window like this. And here we need to go to this advanced tab, and I will tell you a few things which we need to take care of it. So the very first thing which we are looking right now is app mode force. Please make sure it is disabled. Now app mode force, once it is disabled, you will have a better network and better connection as far as the internet is connected. Once you are done, here we need to go to a option which name is profile band option, and if you have this 5 GHz band, you can select prefer 5 GHz band. In my case, I am using a wireless adapter, that's why this option is not showing in my laptop. So you can also do that. And the next very important part is roaming sensitivity. So I have selected to disable because my Wi-Fi network are absolutely fine. So I want to increase the speed, and my network bar are already high. So in that case, I can select disable because lower the roaming sensitivity, higher the internet speed. So if your Wi-Fi adapter is nearby your laptop, you can make it lower, or you can select medium, low, or lowest. So since my Wi-Fi adapter is very near to my laptop, I mean it almost like 2 or 2 to 10 meter, that's why I can select disable. So you can also try that, or you can try the lowest one. So after all this step finish, you just need to restart your Windows, and your network will be okay. So I hope this video will really for you. If it is, then don't forget to click on the subscribe button. And if you have any type of question, then comment on the comment section. I will reply you. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.